everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a sweet and tangy raspberry jam. The ingredients you'll need are very minimal, as you can see. You'll need some raspberries or any fruit of your choice, and I have the same amount of sugar and lemon juice. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the sugar in this pot. We'll add the berries and we'll squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice over your hand, so if there's any pit in the lemon, it will fall in your hands and not in your jam. It's a good tip for you. Okay, so we're gonna mix this a little, switch the heat on, and let it bubble for 10 minutes. So my raspberry jam is thicker and it's reduced by almost half. We'll place this in the jar and we'll let this cool. And there you go, that is jam ready. It's completely cool, it smells amazing. Now, in order to taste this, you could put this on toast, on a scone. I'm gonna put it on a rich tea biscuit. Texture is beautiful, as you can. It's a beautiful raspberry flavor. You get the little bit of tartness from raspberries because raspberries are already sour themselves. It's amazing. If you like any raspberry jam or anything raspberry related, you will love this. It's super easy, so I hope you make this. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.